The people of South Africa are blessed with an abundance of nature, but the beauty of our landscapes is being eroded by the growth of our landfills. South Africans generate more than 54.2 million tons of waste per year, leaving landfills overburdened and no longer able to cope with the volumes of waste created on a daily basis. Of all the waste generated, currently less than 40% is diverted from landfill and recycled. By the very nature of the lives we live, we are all responsible for the role that we play in contributing to this ever-growing crisis. The need to repurpose and reuse our waste has reached a tipping point, and consumers, businesses and government are now renewing their focus on the importance of recycling. At Remade Recycling, we understand that waste is an infinite challenge that keeps evolving. We are informed, equipped and inspired to see waste in a new light. We know what it takes to not only manage for today, but to preempt the effect that our behavior as people, communities and businesses has on the world in which we live. We collect, sort, manage and ethically process all waste types, including non-recyclable, organic, hazardous, confidential and electronic waste. We partner with businesses to find the right waste management solution. From on-site sorting operations to unique customized offerings, our services give you peace of mind that your waste is being professionally removed and ethically recycled. This is how we transform discarded refuse into valuable resources. By diverting waste from landfills, we reduce its environmental impact on our landscapes. By repurposing that waste, we create valuable raw materials. By distributing those recycled raw materials, we create new low-cost, low-impact options for manufacturing. With our customizable and cost-effective waste management solutions, we make accurate sustainability reporting, processes and systems for businesses possible. We make it easy for companies to not only be informed, but monitor, track and report. At Remade Recycling, our purpose is to equip people, communities and companies to navigate the future of waste. If we harvest the waste of today, we can fuel the hopes for a better tomorrow. Remade Recycling, transforming the future of waste.